Hi, now in this video we'll discuss about designing the borders using CSS. When I talk about borders, it is not just related to table, but you can pass the borders with the particular tags like paragraph, div and images as well. So whenever you pass a border to a paragraph or div, you can give a look of forming a box kind of image as well. So let's see a practical where we will try to create the different kind of borders using CSS along with the paragraph and the div. So let's start the practical now.
Now in this very example for the borders, what I have done, I have created two CSS classes for the paragraph tag with the name example1 and example2. In the first one, what I have done, I have passed the width of the border along with the type like solid, dotted, dashed. We can pass different variety of the borders. We will discuss what all possible values you can pass. Apart from that, I have passed the bottom color, top color, left and right color. As I just wanted to show you, like we can pass the different values for all the different kind of border, different sides of border for top, bottom, left and right. So here I have shown you the values in hexadecimal format. You can also use the name of the color as you usually do. So this is what I have passed right here. But in the second example, means in the second class, I have just passed a single border color. So it depends. If you want to put the same color for all the sides, you will just say border color. Otherwise, you will say border bottom color, top, left and right accordingly. So here I have passed two paragraphs in the body section, and in each paragraph I have assigned the particular classes of CSS like example 1 and example 2. So let's save this and come to browser, and here you can see the different colors out there, like top one is red, green, and here in second one you can see the green border is there only. Alright, if you want you can also increase the width of the border so that you can see it more clearly. I'll make it 5 pixel, I'll save it, and again if I'll show you, you can observe the different colors, like it's somewhat black, red, green, and here it's blue color, while here it is just the green color. In another example, I am just trying to show you what all different varieties of border style you can pass. Like here I am keeping 4 pixel width common for all the borders, but the border style is getting changed every time. Like here it is none, means there will be no border. It's solid, dashed, double, groove, ridge, inset. Alright, and outset hidden. So let's save it and see how these different borders will look like. So here this one is none border, as I said, like since I passed none, so this border will not be visible, while this one is the solid as it was there in the previous example. This one is dashed so that you can see the dashed thing here. Double border, as you can see. Grooved means somewhat grayish like disabled thing. Ridge, inset, outset, you can see the shading here. In inset it's upward and here in downward. It is hidden. Hidden means the border is hidden for now, and here it is customized, like all for all the different things. It is for top it is solid, for bottom it is dashed, here it is inset, and here it is double. All right, so let's see here. Dashed, groove, double and solid, all the 4 different borders are applied. Apart from that, you have also one more option, that is dotted. So I'll just change it to dotted just to show you. So here you can see this is the dotted border. So these are the different border styles which you can pass using the CSS class and with the attribute border style. And now here you can see that I'm making some changes in the border width, which I have done earlier as well. But the new thing which I wanted to show you, like apart from the values here like 4 point or 4 pixel, you can also use the keywords like thin, medium, thick. Alright, so again the last one is miscellaneous, having lots of attribute altogether. Like the bottom width is 4 pixel, top width is 10 pixel, left is 2 pixel, and right one is 15 pixel, and it is of border solid. Alright, so let's refresh it, and here you can see the solid with 4 pixel, 4 point, thin, medium, thick as the keyword, and here borders with the different thickness all over around, like top, bottom, left and right. So these are the things, these are some of the possible things which you can perform while working with CSS.